Do you want to make $1,299 daily by simply using Google? Yes, that is, $1,299 into your wallet every day, just doing what you do every day on Google. All you will need to do is to follow all the steps I will be showing you in this video, without skipping any part. Just think of what $1,299 will do for you in a day. What you will buy with it. Imagine you save $1,299 for 1 month, which is a whopping $38,970. Wow, too much money to make from just using Google. This is an opportunity to make money online that you should not let it pass you by. You will earn a lot of money, which you can use to take a vacation and go around the world and buy the fancy things you want to buy in life. Exciting, right? Yes. Not only will I be showing you all the process you need to sign up for this system, but I will also be showing you how you will get to earn money in this method. When you are through watching this video, you will be able to try what I will be teaching you in this video. You will be able to start earning money right away. Yes, that is $1,299 direct into your account. Wow. But before we get started, I welcome you to Online Bucks, where we teach you how to make money online easily and legitimately. Please subscribe to this video and turn on the notification bell so that you will get to see all our future uploads on making money online. If you have any question, please leave a comment in the comment section and we will be happy to reply your inquiry. Please don't forget to smash the like button if you find value in this video. Now, let us proceed with what you need to learn to earn this $1,299 from Google. The first thing you will need to do is to log into google.com. And from the search bar, you should input Google News. You will be redirected to this page, and I will like you to click on this first link. You will be taken to this page where you will see this different articles. These articles will depend on your location and the date you are accessing the site. As you can see here, you will see current news on things that are happening around the world. Each article will also display the date and time it was uploaded to help you know how fresh the article is. If you check on the left bar, you will see the categories of the news articles. When you click on any of the category, it will take you to the collection of articles in that category. You will see all the news articles in that category. For example, when you click on World News, you will see news from around the world. When you click on Business, you will see business news. Technology, you will see news on technology. Entertainment, you will see entertainment's news. Sports, you will see sports news. As example in this video, we will choose health, and sure you will see news on health-related issues. You can also try the science link and you find news developments in science. Now what you will be doing in this system is to copy the essential part of the article. And the next thing you will need to do is go back to Google search and input SpinBot into the search box. The first link here takes you to SpinBot.com. You should go ahead and click on it, and you will be taken to this page. Well, you may want to know what a SpinBot is. It is a free automatic article spinner that will rewrite human-readable text into additional intelligent readable text. SpinBot is one of the best article paraphrasing tool on the internet, and it is free to use. Now, this is how it works. You will write or paste your article here in the left side of the box. As you paste your article, SpinBot will count your article and let you know the number of characters, whether it has exceeded the limit of 10,000 characters or not. You will then need to click this arrow to spin it here, and then you try this puzzle to confirm that you are not a robot. And boom, your rewritten article is ready. It takes just some seconds to spin your article and rewrite it to give you the required results. The new article is unique and original. You can use this new article to earn $1,299 in one day from this system. Now, if you are still watching this video up till now, it means you are receiving value. Please smash the like button now to make this video more accessible to others. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe now to keep getting fresh videos on how to make money online. So keep watching this video to the end to know all the steps you have to take to be successful in this money-making system. As you see, SpinBot is an excellent tool that helps to paraphrase articles to avoid any form of plagiarism. It helps make the article original in seconds, for use in any type of platform that requires written text. You can apply SpinBot to any type of article, and the results is always amazing. The articles are written in ways that it is impossible for your article to be flagged down for copyright claim or plagiarism. Now, after getting your article written, you will need to know the next step you have to take to make money with your article. The first website you will use your rewritten article to make money is TextBroker.com. It is a contents writing service for a variety of projects. They deliver high quality you can count on all the time. Here, you will be able to earn money from this website by writing contents. And the best thing about this website is that it is absolutely free to register. Well, have you noticed that all the steps I have been showing you in this video are all free to start? Now, if you want to know how much you will be making on this website, you will click on I write content. Then, you will select payment. You will be taken to this page. Here, you will see how much TextBroker pays their authors. If you want to know how much you will earn on TextBroker, you can scroll down here, calculate open order earnings. Here, you can see how much you will earn per words you write. You can earn as high as $192 per 12,000 words. But, remember, you are not going to write any word. You will just be copying articles from Google News and pasting it to SpinBot. Then, you will copy the rewritten article from SpinBot to TextBroker, and boom, you earn money. Simple and straightforward, no hassles. This is an exciting way to make money, and you should be doing this already. Now, to get started, you will need to create an account. And remember, it is free to sign up. It means, this is actually free money flowing into your account, with no investment. Wow, I actually didn't see it this way. Now, the next thing you need to do, to start earning this money, is to come up here again, and click on, I write content. This time, what you will need to do, is to click the sign up button, or simply click on, free author registration, and you will be taken to this page. Here, you have two options, a client order content, and an author earning money writing content. Of course, you are here to make money, so you should click on the option, an author earning money writing content, and you be taken to the registration page, where you will need to input your details in the sign up form here, agree to their terms and conditions, and then click this button, sign up here, to submit your application. Once you have created your account, you can start submitting your articles to TextBroker, and you will begin earning money in the process. Now, the next website you should sign up to increase your earnings is iWriter.com. iWriter is the fastest, easiest, and most reliable way to have content written for websites. If you are on the iWriter website, you should scroll down to this section, where it says, are you a writer that wants to earn money writing for iWriter? As you can see here, on iWriter, you will build your client base. You will earn up to $80 per 500 words as you get promoted and become an expert. You will write as much or as little as you want each day. And you will get to choose topics of your interest. Now, this is how it works on iWriter. You will create free account. You will choose the type of article you want to write. Once you have written the article, you will submit the article, and they will review your article, and then pay you for your article. It is as simple as it sounds. Now, you may want to know how much you will be earning from iWriter. If you come their content pricing page, you see that they have 4 levels of content pricing. This will help you determine how much you can earn from iWriter. As you can see here, they charge as high as $465 for 6,000 words, which is related to the amount you will earn writing similar number of words. Now, to get started, all you will need to do is to click on this button. Become an iWriter today, and then you will be taken to the sign up form, where you will sign up and get started. The next website you should visit to submit your copied articles from Google News is scripted.com. As you can see here, this is a website where people can hire freelance writers. You will sign up as one of those writers. This website pays higher than the first 2 websites. Here, you will get to earn up to $1,299 for articles that you submit to them. All you will need to do is to create a free account. You will then need to click on Become a Writer, and you will be on this page, where you will get to register and sign up to become a writer with Scripted. The website offers competitive pay for writers. You can write what you want. You will get to work with big companies. They have good management system. You will work from anywhere and at any time from the comfort of your home. And you will get to build your portfolio in the process. To get started, simply go to the Apply Now button and click. You will be taken to this page, where you will input your details. Email, first name, last name, password, then create account to get registered on the platform. From here, you will be able to go to google.com to find an article, copy and paste into SpinBot, and after spinning, you will then be able to submit to scripted.com, and boom, you earn money. Ciao.